Nobody likes the thought of cleaning behind the refrigerator, or maybe you have never even thought about cleaning behind your refrigerator. But who knows what lurks in those dark places, and I guarantee you if you have cats and dogs, you have a mess on your hands. Today I'm going to tell you how you can clean out all of that muck underneath the refrigerator, as well as all of the stuff that has gathered on your refrigerator coils and the fan, and it's going to help that refrigerator and freezer to run more efficiently, and you don't even need a vacuum. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm Laura Lee. If this is your first time as a guest on my channel today, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I try to put out new content every week. While cleaning behind the refrigerator is one of my least favorite chores, the puppies sure enjoy it. You never know what tasty morsel may have slipped under the refrigerator. So of course the first step here is to pull the refrigerator out. It's best if you have somebody to help you. I was home alone, so I did the wiggle waddle method to pull it out of there, and victory, she found a morsel. Now, if you think my refrigerator looks bad, I just want to remind you that I clean it every 6 to 12 months. So if you have not cleaned your refrigerator in the last few months, it's probably going to look even worse, especially if you have pets. The lint that sticks to the back ventilation system blocks off airflow and makes it run less efficiently. Before you start cleaning, be sure to unplug the refrigerator. I'm using a microfiber cloth to get all of that surface lint off of the back panel. This is just the external part. Once I get the main bulk of that heavy lint off, I'm going to use my little socket driver here to remove the screws. And pretty much every refrigerator is the same. There's several screws around the edge of this panel in the back. Just make sure it's unplugged before you remove that. And you'll see inside the panel is going to need a good wiping down too. I'm just going to use my dry microfiber cloth to remove all of that lint and pet hair. And by getting that off, it's not going to just get sucked right back up into the fan and the ventilation system once it's all clean. I'm also going to very carefully and gently wipe off all of these little filaments back here and the copper tubing and the housing for the motor. All of that, just I give it a good wiping off with that microfiber cloth, because as you can see there's a fan in there and it's kind of hard to get to. I'm wiping off each blade, but anything that you leave in there is going to just get sucked right back up into that fan if you don't clean it off. Now I'm going to show you my trick for getting to these coils even if you don't have a vacuum cleaner. As you can see, they get pretty filthy. So to begin with, I'm taking my microfiber cloth and getting off the bulk, and then I use a bottle brush, just like a baby bottle brush, and it fits perfectly in between those coils without causing any damage to the finish. You don't want to scratch or scuff up the finish of those coils, because your refrigerant goes through those and they help to keep the refrigerator cool. And as you can see, I'm getting all kinds of dust and lint off of there. Had I left that, it could eventually cause it to overheat and for sure to be less efficient, and we want to make our refrigerator run as efficiently as it can, because electricity costs a lot of money. Now with everything clean, I simply replace that panel. There's probably 8 screws. I think there may have been possibly 10 screws all the way around. You just use your little socket driver to get those all put back into place. And everything is clean and nice like new for another at least 3 to 6 months. So yes, pulling out the refrigerator is necessary. I hope you enjoyed the video. Lots of helpful tips in there. If you are interested in learning how to clean the inside of the refrigerator, I'm going to post a link up here as well in the description below of a tutorial I did on cleaning the refrigerator, getting ready for a brand new year, cleaning it out, getting all of those crevices clean, and it also includes tips for cleaning the freezer and organizing all of that stuff. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I try to put out new content every week. I'll see you next time. God bless.